When you demonstrate the role of the marketing manager, I want to make sure I point out a few technology highlights. First, it begins using Microsoft Teams, as well as some files and reports that were brought in from Business Central, access to SharePoint, integration of OneNote, and then we make a round trip back into Business Central.
In this scenario, we will demonstrate the role of the marketing manager using Dynamics 365 Business Central. In this scenario, we will show you how to do research using applications within Microsoft, how to create a campaign, select a target audience, initiate the campaign, and then track the responses. So let's assume that the marketing team or the marketing manager begins any campaign or any product launch through research and investigation of the business, through company personnel and company successes and failures. This is essential before investigating or investing in any campaign or promotion or the launch of a new product. Here I am, I'm logged in to Dynamics 365. And again, the marketing manager knows that there are other tools and resources from Microsoft Cloud Apps to complete his or her job. And with a single click, I can log into those other apps in my cloud applications. And I'm going to open up Microsoft Teams, right? Microsoft Teams, if you're not familiar with it, it's a hub for teamwork. It's where all your content, tools, people, and conversations are available in the team workspace. And with teams dedicated for things like corporate marketing, operations, sales, right, product development, right, each department can better collaborate with internal and external team members. I'm going to go ahead and open up or expand marketing. And you'll see here that a dialogue or conversation has begun. There are documents and files that can be embedded in conversations as a natural part of that organization. And so here you see I've got a campaign. It was uploaded to the file library by way of the Business Central. So you can see I open this up here, and this is actually a campaign report that was generated from Dynamics 365 Business Central. So I can close out of that, and I get a sense of some of the other previous campaigns we've run. And if I select on the files, I'll see here, again, the top 10 inventory report. So maybe I want to understand what's selling in the market today based on inventory. And then I might want to have a conversation with the team. So again, I'm in Teams, and I'll type in, hey, great opportunity to learn about the success of our products. And then someone else, Allie, reviews, hey, thanks to the Microsoft Cloud, great job. I'll select here, we'll open up in SharePoint, and that now I have all those files available to me in SharePoint. Open up OneNote to, again, document some of the new campaigns and meetings. And then I can toggle to Dynamics 365 Business Central. Next, I'll create the campaign. So I'll select New Campaign, type in a description. We'll select the status code as it's a kind of a planned event right now, and I'll enter in the start date, end date. Initiating campaign is as simple, and it just requires a few clicks. Now I got the campaign started, I need to select my target audience. So we'll go ahead and select segments. I've got a new segment here. We'll call it the visitors from a trade show. And then let me go ahead and add the contacts. We'll scroll down a number of different ways in which you can filter or target the criteria. And we'll go ahead and just select our customers. And I clicked OK. And that brought in our customers. And I'll close that out. You'll notice that I've got attachments over here on the right-hand side. They can be unique, or they can be inherited by the campaign itself. And then next is I need to activate the campaign. So we'll go ahead and activate that in the campaigns. I'll select process, activate it. You can assign different pricing for it, or you could choose not to. But anyway, I'll go ahead and activate that campaign, and we're ready to go. I'll select on the segment. And then I'll log this, and then you'll start to see that I could send these attachments out. If I want, I can create a follow-up to this segment. I left that blank for now, and then we could preview the attachment and see that we've included a white paper to send out with this campaign as a follow-up to, and now I'm ready to hit the send button. I hit OK, and that's been logged and sent out to those recipients. And then the last step is to track the campaign. So I come over here in my tile, it says active, select the active campaigns. It's the one for the trade show. I'll hit process, statistics. I can track my cost, my response rates, the receive rates, all the targeted contacts, and etc. And then I can go into my report, check out the campaign details that we saw earlier. Again, I've got a canned report here available to me for review. So again, the purpose of that was just to show you the very light campaign management, the role of the marketing manager, and to show you some of the capabilities that go beyond, I think, traditional barriers of an accounting system.